few days ago, the Samsung Galaxy A5 2018 was confirmed by the company, as it was listed on the support page of the official website. Now, a similar thing has happened with another smartphone of the same lineup, Galaxy A7 2018. As per the reports, Samsung Kazakhstan, the Russian-facing website of the company, has listed the smartphone carrying model number SMA730F. Galaxy A7 2018 will feature a Super AMOLED Infinity display with an 18:9 aspect ratio, just like Samsung Galaxy S8. And it will be similar to the one we saw on Samsung's 2017 flagships. Expect an edge-to-edge display with virtually no bezels. Under the hood, the Samsung Galaxy A7 2018 is expected to be powered by a brand new Exynos 7892 chipset, which will have 2 Cortex-A73 core and 6 Cortex-A53 cores, and will also pack 6 GB of RAM. As per the rumors, the smartphone will also come with IP68 certification, which means that the device will be dust and water resistant. Some reports also suggest that the phone will come with dual cameras at the back, and will have a USB Type-C port and Bluetooth 5.0. It is expected to run on Android 7.1.1 Nougat-based operating system, with the company's own TouchWiz UI on top. And it will also comes with inbuilt Bixby Vision, just like Galaxy S8. Considering the latest certifications and the recent leaks, the Galaxy A7 2018 are likely to be unveiled sometime in the coming future. Samsung would host a press conference at Consumer Electronics Show in January to announce the new Galaxy A series. Meanwhile, we can anticipate some more details through rumors and leaks. For more video like this, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.